Hello guys, I am Kuldeep Singh Seko. Today we are going to discuss how to install Maven on Windows operating system. Before to install Windows operating system, let us take a short note on Maven. What is Maven? Maven is a build automation tool used primarily for Java projects. Maven addresses two aspects of building software. The first, it describes how software is built, and second, it describes its dependencies. Maven dynamically downloads Java libraries and Maven plugins from the one or more repositories such as Maven Central repository and store them in local cache. It provides a build lifecycle. A build lifecycle includes many phases such as validate, generate sources, process sources, generate resources, process resources, compile, test sources, process test resources, test compile, test, package, install, and finally deploy. So we will discuss Maven in our later tutorials in detail. Now let us see how to install Maven on Windows. First thing first, download and install JDK. I have already uploaded one video how to install JDK, means Java Development Kit, on Windows. Then after, set the environment variables, Java home variables, which is already described in. Download the Apache. Next step is download the Apache Maven. Though let us test that we have set the environment variables. First, click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and here is Java home. If you have not created this variable, you can create this by clicking on new tab. This kind of window will appear. Add Java home variable and the path where you have installed Java and click OK. Then again extend the path variable Java home and bin, just like this. Click on new and add this. For detail, you can see my previous video. Now we can have the Maven from the Maven apache.org. Now go to the download section and download the binaries. The binaries zip archive, this one. The current version is Apache Maven 3.3.9 bin. So click on download. I have already downloaded this Apache Maven 3.3.9 bin. So I am going to cancel this. Now I have downloaded this Apache Maven 3.3.9 bin. Extract it anywhere. Now you got this. You may rename this if you want to. Let us make it Apache Maven and paste it at any location safer. Let us paste it in program files and let us suppose Apache software. Continue. Now next step is set the M2 variable. Add M2 home environment variable. Now M2 home variable. It's fairly simple. Go to this PT, properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and add new. m2_home. Now in this bar, copy paste the address of this folder of Maven. And click OK. Now next step is set the path variable. Path variable is again same as previous. Click on new, %m2_home %/bin and OK, and OK, OK, close all. Now open the CMD. Write Maven minus version. Now Apache Maven 3.3.9. The location is Apache Software Foundation, Apache Maven, where we have placed this. The Java version is this one, and Java home directory is this one. Default location is so and so. So now we have successfully installed Maven on our Windows 10 operating system. Thank you for now.